Hello beauties, welcome to my kitchen. That's me, your girl B Butelezi. Please don't forget to subscribe as I show you the dishes that I have made before. Please check the description box down below. I will just make things easy for you, and I'm gonna put the link down for you so that everything is easy for you. Before we start cooking, again I'm gonna ask you to press the red button, subscribe. Now I'm gonna show you the ingredients we're gonna be using, as today we are making beef mince. As you can see, I'm holding beef mince, garlic, and we have onion. You can see raja and turmeric, and we have chutney. Inside our mince meat, we're gonna add mixed veg. Now before you start cooking, I forgot to show you how to fry the onion, but it's so easy. You just fry your onions and you add your spices before you can add minced meat inside. Now we are about to finish cooking our mince meat. Now it's time to show you guys how to open those fat cakes in the middle, and we put our mince meat, and I'm telling you, it's so yummy. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to taste even one fat cake because I'm dying. Hunger.